Welcome to Candid Conversations presented by Charlie TV, where we dive deep into insightful and engaging discussions with industry leaders and innovators. In this interview, we are at the Automation Expo 2023 held in Mumbai, in conversation with Mr. Philipose Jacob, Country Director, Eaton Corporation Business, India. What products, services, and industries does your organization focus on?
Our manufacturing plant is in Chennai. It's being operating from 1989, so it's like over 3 decades of operation, and we serve the oil and gas industry, onshore, offshore, petrochemical, marine, data centers, and so paint and chemical, etc. Now, the main products that are manufactured are intrinsically safe barriers, which are Zener barriers, galvanic isolators. We also manufacture surge protection devices. The Chennai plant is a global center of excellence for surge. That means this is the only place where surge is manufactured. It's actually even exported to USA, to Europe, and Asia Pac and the Middle East. So, and then there are hazardous connectors that we make. We make customized solutions, as I told you, which comprises of multiple of our solutions put together into an explosion-proof junction box and are sold.
What products is your organization showcasing today at the Automation Expo 2023?
What we have at the trade show today for you are signaling devices. That means you have a harsh and hazardous location. You need the people working in these harsh and hazardous solutions to be informed of a gas leak or any other explosion, and it's done through a signaling device. It can be an audio-visual signaling device. The other way is communicating from the harsh environment to a control room. So you have hazardous telephones that are manufactured by us, where an employee can actually talk to the control room and inform. The other series of products that we are exhibiting here are our surveillance camera system, which is explosion-proof CCTV camera. So you know what's happening, but you want to see what's happening there as well in the harsh and hazardous areas. So we have Harness, Oxalis, and Yuhua series camera ranges that are there, and these cameras provide very effective surveillance of the harsh and hazardous areas, and it gets the control room to make informed decisions during a situation. So it improves situation awareness. So these are the summary of all the products that we have, and all of them are showcased here. In addition to this, we have hazardous area lighting. So lighting has two advantages. One is productivity. So if you have hazardous area lighting, it improves the productivity of the workers, but at the same time they are explosion proof, rated for zone 1 and zone 2. So yeah, that's a summary of all the product line that we have.
How has your organization adapted to the Make in India initiative?
Eaton's approach to Make in India, especially in our Krauss-Heinz series business that I represent, has been a very holistic approach. I'll just maybe like to highlight some of the points that we are looking at. Number one, as you know, Eaton has got around 5,800 employees plus in India. We operate out of 20 different locations in India, and we are also having 7 manufacturing sites in India. Our first approach in the Krauss-Heinz business is to look at the manufacturing facility footprint and how to expand that manufacturing facility footprint in line with our growth strategy. Second is creating employment opportunities across all our verticals, be it sales, sales support applications, or be it R&D core engineering, or be it new product development, etc. Third, we are investing in new product launches for India. So our R&D team that is currently X number would grow by 15 to 20% in next year, because we are actually doing a lot of localization in India. And by localization I mean a lot of products that are currently in manufacturing processes or in an R&D process in other parts of our other centers of excellence would be through a technology transfer moved into India. So that's something happening. Then localization of manufacturing and products. So there are products that today are manufactured in, let's say, in Europe or somewhere in Asia Pac. All those products we are looking at a series of products that can be moved to our Chennai facility. And then training facilities, training programs. So for us, Make in India training programs are very important. Our customers and channel partners need to be upgraded all the time. So we have a training schedule and a training coordinator that actually manages that. And we are investing in training as well. Then the last part I would say is engineering support services. We do a lot of engineering to orders. That means customers place orders We actually have to build them in our plant and then send it over to them. And now these are customized solutions which we do for our customers, and they need to be constantly provided with O&M support. That means once the product is sold, they need to know how to maintain it. So that's the last kind of support we need. So for us, Make in India has been very holistic program, and we're looking at it very seriously.
How has the demand for your products and services evolved over the years?
When we look at India's growth in infrastructure, investments in oil and gas, etc., we are looking at an uptick in demand. Now, what we are doing differently is we are listening to the voice of the customer, and we are taking the feedback into our R&D, and we are improving differentiated products. So our products are going through a technology refresh at the moment, all series of products that have differentiated unique value, and we believe with this differentiated value which we are showing in the trade shows and other tech days that we have with customers, our demand will definitely, we want to, it to be on the rise.
What are the challenges faced by the organization in the Indian market?
I would say every business has got its own challenge. India is a fast growing market. There are a lot of opportunities that I see more than challenges in the Indian market. The amount of investment that is here, that being made by various segments of the industry, the investments that are there, that in the oil and gas space that we are seeing are opportunities. Challenges, I would say, is our ability to meet the demand and to turn around our products in time is something that we are debating. How can we shorten the cycle time of launching products, etc. So that's the challenge.
What are the future plans of the organization?
Currently our focuses are on oil and gas, onshore, offshore, petrochemical, marine. We are also looking at market diversifying ourselves into water segment. We are also looking at smart cities, and we are looking at metros. Currently, which is under study as to what can we do differently in those segments. And as part of this trade show, as part of the tech days that we are having with the customer, we are engaging with them to see, okay, we've got the solution, what more do you want from us, Eaton, to do to participate? So that is currently in an exploratory process, and these are but we would like to market diversify into these three segments: water, smart city, and metros.
Lastly, we would like to thank Mr. Philipose Jacob from Eaton, India for sharing their valuable time with Harcha Bhaskar from Automation and Robotics World magazine. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chari TV.